Okay, so the other day I reported Cynthia Annan's, Maloney's blood sugar. I was joking around kind of, but I mean, it's a serious matter. And I'm not joking today because here we are again. She's waking up today here. She looks confident, beautiful, sexy, absolutely gorgeous. I cannot believe that she's 9 months sober. And once again, her bariatric surgery has taken over her health. You can see here on the monitor today it's 95. That's just unbelievable. I want to tell you, looking at Cynthia right now, she doesn't have to look at the camera. She doesn't have to respond. But I want to tell you about Richard's feelings. Cynthia's blood sugars were 300, 400, 500 all the time. She felt horrible all the time. And I was told by her father, my father-in-law, Donald Annan, that she wasn't going to make it, her kidneys and all this stuff. I was so horribly worried when I was a blackjack dealer. Just out of my mind. I love Cynthia so much, and I didn't want to lose her. And I'm just so glad that she was able to get the surgery and work through her emotional difficulties and mental, spiritual, just whatever it is that whatever that makes Cynthia Annan. I'm looking here at a miracle here today. You just don't. This is a scientific miracle. You just don't understand. Okay, to go in and change the stomach to a smaller stomach and allow Cynthia to lose 100 pounds and look at her legs. I mean, it's magnificent. She's thin, gorgeous. Turn around, honey. Let's see how pretty you look. Okay, and not that you weren't prettier before. I'm not gonna say that. You were gorgeous before. I've loved you my whole life, but I can't believe.
Okay.
Yeah, water's fine. So, anyways, that's our report today. Once again, unbelievable scientific. Okay, it's already been gone, but it was 95. Unbelievable. The diabetes, in my opinion, is really just kind of gone.